So for all of you just tune in, I am go ahead and using a Crystal Trifecta, which is condensed glue gel, no wet top coat, and precision glue gels. This is the 3-step methods will keep your crystals stay on the nails, on your nails or the client's nails every single time until whenever they're coming and get the new nails again. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the one layer of the condensed glue gels, not too thick, not too thin. And you can do in the glove centerpiece, like using the triple thick crystal, triple thick condensed glue gel. You can use that as well. I actually really like that to use this to holding really thick, really big 3D, also a big crystal charms. I'm go ahead and floating this. And I'm gonna have some of the go ahead and have some of the glove crystal different colors, which is from the Valentine starter kits, which is just go with all year round. All right, so I'm go ahead. This is a luxury. Oh my god, should I use this? It's so cute though. It's really super cute and heavy. And you can definitely using on the other end to adjusting your crystal gloves. Let me using some of the other colors, which is I'm using a green. Is so perfect for like spring times. There's so many different colors on that kit that you can do with. And then we are going to add a couple more. You know, you can stop at any time. It doesn't have to be completely blinged out. I love the looks like this now. This is so beautiful and it's so dramatically. I'm gonna use some frame. Just showing you, I got it from the sub box. I've been using a lot of this. I'm so obsessive with this. It's got a little enough of a little all of cute crystal for me to work with. Okay. Great. I think I am about to add some more. Beads on it and I'm good to go. Oh my god, this is so dramatic. So adorable. Add some beads between the crystals. And then if you're happy with this, we are going to here under the LED light for 60 seconds. So hope everyone can still hear